Click settings icon, choose note editor, click view only already. First I selected view only option. Now return to Squid app and open a note to check the open action note. We can see that the open action of the note was set to view only. Next, in the note editor, we are going to set the edit option in the open action. Return to Squid app and open a note. We can see that edit option was enabled. For demonstration purpose, the note was closed with that page. When you turn off the resume last page option, the note will display first page each and every time, even if the note was closed with some other pages. Again, I am closing the note with that page. Now go to settings, click note editor and turn on the resume last page option. Return to Squid app and open the note, and you can see the page will open with that page which was viewed last.